Hey everybody, my name is Gergich. I am a Parks and Recreation employee in a little town called Pawnee, Indiana. It's pretty amazing. It's not Muncie, but it's pretty good. My bosses are great, Leslie Knope and Ron Swanson, and I just work with wonderful people. But I am here because I know that there is this big 2019 annual campaign at the Kentucky YMCA Youth Association. So number one, thank you for everyone who has donated, and now we need more. Because that's how these places run. That's how they do their good work. We got to get more. So it is the largest youth and government organization, and we need more kids involved in the civic and public service. That is so important. And kids, I promise you, you will get so much satisfaction from that. It is a wonderful thing to help others. I know sometimes when we're young, we think about ourselves a lot, and that's, normal and natural. But it's also great to think about others and help others. This campaign, it raises money for the scholarship fund, and that is so important because that's going to help all of you down the road, I promise. So, I don't know if you know this, I am the mayor of Pawnee. I am Mayor Jerry Gergich, and I just want to tell you, donate, volunteer, help out the Kentucky YMCA Youth Association. I promise you, it's a wonderful organization that needs your help.